Tom's place. We're going to test out this Chemical Guys Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash. Thumbnail. She's a little dirty, but yeah. This stuff is supposed to fix that. Gonna do a test of the Chemical Guys Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash. Don't really want to use any water right now and kind of want to get a quick wipe and a quick clean. Maybe this is something you could even use like when you're on your way to a car show or something. I don't know. We're about to find out. Got the 392 Hemi. We got the green Hornet here. She's a little dirty. She's still really pretty. She's always pretty. You know, quick walk around here. Check it out. There's just a lot of dirt and dust and grime and all kinds of things on her right now. So we're gonna give this stuff a shot, see how she cleans up. So here we are, the Chemical Guys Waterless Car Wash. The directions on the back are pretty clear. It says to spray Swift Wipe spray on waterless car. They got a typo on here. Okay, so I'm over here trying to read the directions to the camera, and I keep thinking like maybe I'm going crazy or something. No, I'm not going crazy. Listen to this. It says spray Swift Wipe spray on waterless car wash directly onto surface. What the hell does that even mean? Come on, Chemical Guys. You gotta proofread your stuff, man. I mean, the product's great, but really? So don't spray it on a wet car. Obviously, duh, it's waterless car wash. It says that in the name. So directions are pretty clear, besides that random typo over there. Spray it onto your waterless car. If it's extra heavy dirt, let it sit for a minute. Don't let it dry though. Wipe it off in one direction with a microfiber towel. Seems easy enough. Let's see what happens. I guess I should get my microfiber towel out first, right? We got our microfiber towel. And we got our waterless car wash from Chemical Guys. It says to just spray on. We've now sprayed the front of the car down. Let it sit for just a second, and we'll use our clean microfiber towel to wipe in one direction, as they say. Oop. I got a little piece of dirt on my towel. Hang on. Okay, there we go. See what happens, huh? Wipe it in one direction. I feel like if I spray it wider. Yeah, okay, there we go. There's like a wide spray. There we go. That's what you want. You want kind of a mist. Because I was looking at that and I'm like, man, that's not working right. So get the mist going on. There we go. That's going to work a lot better. Well, you live, you learn, right? Make sure you have it on the mist setting. That way you cover your paint properly, and that goes on a lot easier. Look at that. All right, here, you know what, it looks really clean. I'm gonna be honest with you. Definitely seems to be working. The wiping in one direction seems a little tedious, but I understand probably why they ask for that, so you don't just smear dirt around. Okay, well, it seems to have been wiped pretty well. Seems to be a little bit of streakage going on, but I'm sure that's why they ask you to buff it out, I would assume. So let's try that out and see what happens. You know what? It's buffing out really nice. Seems like it's sticking to those plastic parts a little bit, but it's okay. Good little scrub on it seems to handle it and take it right off. How do I end up with bird poop right there? Oh, that sucks. Allie's rolling around and having fun. Let's see if this stuff can work a little magic on that, huh? A little bit on here. Set this down. And let's see what happens. Oh yeah, right off. Oh, you know what? It cleans this whole thing real nice. Look at that. So that's what it is. You just don't want to let it dry. Man, oh, that worked really well. Wipe this down. Rub this down. Tell you what, this hood is looking good. I think I like this product so far. The wiping in one direction thing seems kind of tedious. It seems to work. Also, at the same time, seems like I don't really need to do it. Maybe your first wipes, make sure you do it, but I don't really think it's necessary to do it the whole time. You gotta buff it out at the end, so obviously to buff it, you gotta do a little bit of this, right? Working well so far. Let's keep going. Got a bunch of brake dust and stuff all over that side. Getting all that nastiness off. So on the doors I'm wiping down. Seems to be a pretty good technique for the one direction wipe that they ask for in the instructions. Like I said, it leaves a little bit of a streak, but you come back and buff over it and it's all good. Or I mean, I know you can't see much without the sun there, but when I pulled out in the sun, I'm telling you, this thing is clean. Pretty much done with the car. I've got one panel left and the roof left, and I gotta say, so far I'm really impressed. Definitely running out of towel there, as you can see. But yeah, stuff looks great. I'll pull it out into the sun and show you guys. Looks like we're done. I'd say this stuff works pretty well. I dig it. Pull it out in the sun and see what you guys think. You good dog, Allie? Here, go on the RV. Okay. All right, I'll be back. Funny dog. Off-roading in the Scat Pack. Trying to find you guys some sun. All the trees are blocking all the sun. I don't really want to drive all the way down the road to the gate, so we're gonna see how well this works right here. Let's check this thing out. Oh yeah. Oh man, that's beautiful. What do you guys think? I think it did a killer job. Look at the shine you got going on that. It's not even a wax. They have a spray-on wax that I bought too that I could put on here, make it shine even more, but man, it looks great. I mean, I feel like you could get this stuff if you're driving to a car show or something like that. Show up and wipe it down with this stuff. Looks like you spent 2 hours waxing the damn thing. Get some of that spray-on wax, even better. I'd say that's a win for that product. If you're asking my opinion, I'd say go buy it. That's pretty much that though. Let's see if we can off-road the Scat Pack out of here, huh? There we go, off-roading the Scat Pack. Let's go. Try not to spin the tires on the dirt there. And we're moving. We're moving. We're moving forward, back to the gravel road. And there we go. Like I said, you ask my opinion, I say that stuff's a buy. That's some good stuff. Really cool. I guess that's about it for this video. Cool product, cleans the car up. Now I can go get on the road and go get it all dirty again. You know, like, subscribe, do all that stuff. You know, the huge. Peace, guys.